dumpster rental service in Rockdale, Texas. Falcon Dumpster Rentals offers a trusted dumpster rental service in Rockdale, Texas, which is essential for house flippers looking to clear out homes in disrepair or during renovation projects. Managing debris and waste from demolition and construction is critical when flipping houses. Renting a dumpster provides a convenient and efficient way to handle this waste, ensuring the property stays clean and safe. With a dumpster rental, they can quickly and safely dispose of the debris without disrupting their workflow. Whether tearing down walls, removing flooring, or clearing out clutter, having the right dumpster on-site makes the process much easier. Falcon Dumpster Rentals helps streamline the flipping process by offering a variety of dumpster sizes suited to different project needs. This ensures that house flippers can manage waste efficiently, stay on budget, and maintain a safe working environment. If you're ready to start your next flipping project and need a reliable dumpster rental service in Rockdale, Texas, Falcon Dumpster Rentals has you covered. Contact us today at 877-779-2783 to schedule your dumpster rental and keep your renovation project on track.